Hey, I want to share with you 5 reasons why good credit is important. Don't mind the sadness, it's a rough time, but we're going to get through this. Reason number 1, you can leverage your personal credit to jumpstart your business. Reason number 2, you will qualify for lower interest rates, which will save you money. Reason number 3, credit can affect where you live. It allows landlords to decide if they want to rent to you. And if you're buying a house, credit will get you the best interest rate, like we talked about earlier, which means your mortgage payments, your monthly mortgage payments will then be lower, again, saving you money. Reason number 4, when it comes to purchasing a car, you won't have to worry about verifying your income, and you can walk off that lot without putting a dime down. And lastly, I've been saying this from the beginning, lower interest rates, keeping money in your pocket. Be sure to follow my page for tips and tricks to increasing your credit scores.